Week 3 wrap up, April 20th, 2018. Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the third week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/3 of the class, or the equivalent of 1.5 months worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. A few reminders are in order. The Cultural Geography News Discussion number 2 is due tonight, Friday, April 20th by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography Special Topic number 2 is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 23rd by 11:59. These discussions have been available since Monday. You have to remember that these are two different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit the assignments later, but the further away you are from the due date, the more points will be deducted. Please remember to retrieve the lecture posted on the modules. Read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. There are about 3 of you who still have not completed map quiz number 1 that was due last Friday, April 13th. That needs to get done as soon as possible or risk losing all of those points. 7 of you still have not submitted your reflections that were due last Saturday, April 14th. And 4 of you still have not submitted exam number 1 that was due Sunday, April 15th. You need to get those reflections done as soon as possible. I'm currently grading them and should be done by the weekend. Please remember to log into the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging in the course is how I take attendance in an online course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there are a group of about 5 students who go on 5 to 6 days without logging in. Have a great Earth Day weekend and see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.